Hello everyone. Today I will talk about smoking on the campus area. Smoking has become a common habit for students, especially on the campus environment. Many students think that smoking can reduce stress or help them concentrate, but in reality, smoking is very dangerous for both the smokers and the people around them. In my opinion, smoking should not be allowed inside the campus. The smell of cigarette smoke can disturb other students, and it can also make the environment dirty because of cigarette butts. Moreover, smoking is very bad for our habits. It can cause lung cancer, heart disease, and other illnesses. As students, we should be aware that uh, campus is a place for learning and building a better future, not a place for unhealthy habits. I believe the university should provide a smoke free zone and educate students about dangers of smoking. To conclude, smoking in the campus environment should be strictly controlled to keep one campus clean, healthy, and comfortable for everyone. Thank you for listening my opinion. Hello everyone. Today I would like to talking about the adverb of frequency and what is adverb of frequency is. Okay, adverb of frequency is the word tell you how often something's you're doing it. It answers the fundamental question how often. Like the example is, I'm always wake up early in the morning, and she never eat breakfast before school, and we sometimes go to the movies on the weekend. Okay, next. Why adverbs of frequencies matter? Adverbs of frequency are essential tools in the English to help you express how often an action happens. Whether you are talking about your daily routines, personal habits, or regular activities, this adverb bring precision and clarity to your communication. Okay, next, the common adverb of frequency, like they are always. I always wake up early in the morning. Usually, and often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Okay, usually is like I usually working for repairing my laptop, and another is how often I often cleaning my room, or I always cleaning my room in the morning after waking up. Okay, and sometimes blah 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 blah, and I'm rarely eat at night, or I rarely sleep late. Okay, and never like I never drink or drug. Yeah, I never drug. And next, the function of frequency adverb. To function is to express habits, to describe routine, and talk about reality. Example is I often play video game after school. That's to express your habits. Describe routines. She always drink tea or at breakfast, like your routines. Like I'm always working out at the morning, yeah, like that. And talk about reality, like they are really watch television. I don't know what it is the meaning. Okay, the word placement. There are two rules to placement the adverb of frequency, and that's before the main verb and after to be. Okay, for before the main verb, place the adverb before regular action verbs. Example, I always eat breakfast. And the word of adverb frequency is the before verb. And the verb is eat. I always eat breakfast. Okay, if I replace the always with usually or rarely, it like I usually eat breakfast or I rarely eat breakfast. Okay, For the example after to be, place the adverb after the verb to be. I'm, is, are. Okay, the example is she is never late. I am never late. They are never late. Okay. Okay, next. Before there are many examples before the main verb. I always drink coffee in the morning. They often study together. We sometimes visits our grandparents. Okay. If I putting in after to be, it likes I am always drink coffee in the morning. They are often study together, or we are sometimes visit our grandparents. There are two rules. Okay, the after to be. He is always started on the Monday. We are never late for school. My teacher is usually friendly and approachable. If I replace that before the verb, and it will like I always tired on Monday, and we never late for school, and my teacher usually friendly and approachable. Okay, next, common mistake. Okay, the common mistake versus correct usage. The incorrect placement, like I eat always breakfast, is the incorrect, yeah. And the correct is I always eat breakfast. When you translate it like aku makan selalu sarapan. Tapi kalau yang benar, the correct placement, I always eat breakfast, aku selalu sarapan. Okay, using address of frequency in the question. And the first ask the question, how often do you study English? The answer is I usually study English every day, or I rarely, or sometimes. And another example, you talking about another person, like how often does he play football? And the answer, he sometimes play football on the weekend. Okay, next. And this is the chart and daily examples. And then there are examples. Maybe I always wake up early before the class. I usually help my parents at home. I often play games after homework. I never smoke because it's unhealthy. Okay, next. The position of the adverb depends on the type of the verb used in the sentence, like the action verb. I always learning English, and the adverb to be, she is never late, or she is rarely late, or she is sometimes late, or she is usually late. Okay, next. There are adverbs in negative sentence. First, I don't always eat rice for lunch. Second, he doesn't usually play games at night. Okay, there are two examples. Next, personal examples of frequency, like I always check my laptop every morning. Sometimes socialize. I sometimes going out to my friend in the morning. I sometimes go out with my friends. Rarely eat out. I rarely eat outside because I prefer home and food, and I never skip class. Okay, next, avoiding common mistake. Be careful with the adverb placement, especially when using the verb to be on the action verb. First mistake, action verb. I always study at night. I always study at night. I am always study at night versus I always study at night. Okay, mistake verb to be. She never is late. She is never late. The correct way is adverb conversation dialogue example, like how often do you go to campus? I usually go to campus 5 times a week. And the question 2, how often do you play games? Answer, I often play games on the weekend. Okay. Speaking practice, my routine. The first, waking up. How often do I wake up early? I always wake up early in the morning. At the morning. And studying, how often do I study English? I usually study English after dinner. Cleaning, how often do I clean my room? I sometimes clean my room on Sunday, or I sometimes clean my room at morning after waking up. Okay, next, the summary text key for the adverb of function, adverb of frequency. The function is tell how often something happened. The tense is usually used the simple present tense. The example is always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. The possession word is after, before action, verb, or after to be. Okay. Okay, this is my last slide. Thank you for listening. I hope this explanation helped you to understand the topic clearly. See you.